University interviews may feel daunting, but like any exam or test, the more preparation that you put in, the better the result will be. You'll typically go for an interview for courses in medicine, dentistry, caring professions such as nursing, midwifery and physiotherapy, and education, music and art and design. University College London and Imperial College London will often invite candidates for interview for other subjects as well. Oxford and Cambridge will require you to have an interview for whatever the course, and other universities may interview for popular and highly regarded courses.
There are a number of things admission tutors are looking to find out during the interview process. This includes evidence of your academic capability and potential, excellent subject knowledge, and for courses leading to professions, your suitability to work in that field. This is really looking for evidence of your passion for the subject and how you feel towards it. This examines your critical thinking and reasoning. Are you someone that can think effectively? Are you curious about the subject?
There are loads of myths and untruths surrounding interviews, such as they're full of unusual questions like, tell me about a banana, or explain why the chicken crossed the road. This is a myth. Interviews are composed of chains of questions that get harder or deal with your professional suitability for a course. Interviewers are looking for the right answers. Well, not exactly. What they really want to see is how you reason and deal with new information and ideas. However, you will be expected to know the basic facts and principles about your subject.
When it comes to questions, there are some areas where you will find a particular type or style of question. This is where you might be asked common questions such as, why do you want to study the subject? Or what makes you a strong candidate? You may also be asked to complete a relevant task. Interviews can often start with the academic asking about an interest you mentioned in your personal statement, so make sure you familiarise yourself with what you wrote. You may be asked to demonstrate that you understand the expectations of the profession you're applying for, so make sure you've done some research in this area. These interviews are very academically focused. Interviewers will be looking for logical, flexible thinking, the ability to form and critique arguments, and how you use evidence in your answers. In traditional course interviews, you'll be asked a mix of scientific, professional, and ethical issue questions. Multiple mini-interviews, or MMIs, involve a mix of role-playing, practical skills, and traditional questions. You may be asked questions about a work experience placement, your scientific knowledge, or on ethical issues, so be prepared for any or all of these areas. Whatever the course and subject, understanding the requirements and format of the interview is vital. If you're not sure, just ask. Most universities will give you insight on this in advance. Plan how to use the available time and who can help you. Research the most common questions and map out content for them. Practice the content you've prepared in an informal setting. Reflect on your answers. What needs to be refined? Do a mock interview. You could even record it and then analyse what you feel was good and not so good. Lastly, once you've had the interview, look at how it went. What were the positives? What weren't you happy with? Learn from the experience and apply that to your next interview.
To find out more about specific preparation strategies and practice questions, go to the Sutton Trust Online platform and sign up to attend one of our live webinars.